Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox the GlamEgo box for the month of July 2018. So this is how it looks like, and the theme of this month is Don't Judge. So wherever we go, the people judge the girls, so that is not a good thing. And here they have given one scale where they have mentioned the asking for it, cheeky, tease, bored, old-fashioned and prude. So I really love the theme of this month. So let's open and see what and all products we have got in this box. So once we open this box, we get these two cards. One is the Zaria, that is Zaria with the chance you wish to see in the world. So they have written the put an end to the violence by helping someone you know who is facing abuse. Tell her about the Zaria, and confidential help and guidance is available for free. So if you know someone who is under violence and facing some problems or facing the abuse, you can contact the Zaria, and Zaria people will definitely help you. So I really love their idea about helping the women. For the next card, they have mentioned all the products which I have got in this box with their price. So let's see one by one what and all products we have got. So talking about the first product, here I have this red wine face gel. So this is how it looks like. I'll just open and show you how the consistency of this this gel is. The fragrance of this gel is somewhat like red wine itself, and this is a perfect skin supplement, and it repairs the skin for the monsoon, removes the patches, it evens out your skin and complexion, and it makes your skin glow. So I'm very excited to use this. So how you can use is, before going to bed you can just apply a thin layer on your face and just go to sleep, and once you get up in the morning you will feel your face is so hydrated, refreshed. And the price of this product is 900. So let's talk about the next product. Is this mascara, and this is a Ellen Blue mascara. This is waterproof, this is made in Germany, it is very long lasting and high volume mascara. So this is how the packaging looks like, and the cost of this mascara is 599 rupees. So this is how the wand looks like. Let's talk about the next product. Is this Bio Bloom body mist. So this is a newly launched product. So it is a body spray, and it's perfect for the monsoon. It's alcohol free, and the fragrance is very refreshing, and it's chemical free as well. So let's see how the fragrance is. The fragrance is somewhat like the orchid flower smell. It's very refreshing. The price of this body mist is rupees 450. Next product is this Nature's Co Saffron Day Cream. I have already got this before as well. I don't remember which month box it was, but I have used this and I really loved it. It moisturizes your face very nicely. It keeps the infections away, and yes, it protects you from sun rays also, but I don't know how much SPF it has, and the cost of this is rupees 550. And the last product which we have here is Sesamud Hair Spa Kit. This is a spa kit, and inside we get some pouches in this. So there are 4 sachets in this. The first sachet is for the shampoo, and the second sachet is for mud hair spa. So this is something mask, I think, yeah. And the third one is the serum, hair serum. So first you have to shampoo your hair, then you have to use this mask all over, leaving the scalp part, and just leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can rinse it with the water, and at last you have to use this hair serum. So I'm definitely gonna try this tomorrow itself. So that's it guys, that was my unboxing video about this GlamEgo box, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and let me know in the comment section bar which product is your favorite for this month. And till then, bye bye, take care.